from my upcoming book, Shorter Poems. Would I have courage in defeat? Would I have courage in defeat to accept my lot and begin again, finding life supremely sweet, and in my penury begin, as once I had in youthful years, accepted the challenge of the quest? I must aver I would go through the rigorous journey and would not rest until my soul returned to you.